How to turn on or off location history. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on location history on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on location. Now this is just information why Facebook use your location. Just click on location history and now allow Facebook to save a history of precise location received from your devices. Turn on this option or turn it off. If you turn on, you can also auto delete, so set your location history to delete on your regular basis. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.